You come here, I explain what of kind of your food today. Okay? Filipino food. Filipino food. Okay? In Filipino, pakwan. Pakwan in Filipino. I know Spanish. But Tagalog, pakwan, piña, pansit, adobong manok, verduras, chapsoy, adobong manok, pansit otro, pansit, sinogba, 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 importante, in Espanyol, arroz, but in Filipino, humayron. Everybody. Humay. Okay, plato. Pasa-pasa. Okay na, boy.
Okay na kaya?
Okay na.